Hello, my name is Giselle González Guevara, a student in Industrial Engineering in the UNAM. What is Pola a la mano? It is an application that proposes to offer comfort to the clients in the city, where through his mobile phone he can place his green orders and this will be dispatched from the point closest in the home. For a more timely attention, Bavaria products are handled. How are you protecting the IP generated proposed innovation? The intellectual property is being protected through trademark. How are you evaluating the proposal? The proposal is evaluated using the market approximation method in Q equals N address Q address P. Q enclose 15 million. Under which condition are they going to commercialize the evaluated proposal? In addition to the percentage earnings for the creators, in the might very clear that any improvement, adaptation, or maintenance of the app is the responsibility of the licensed company. At the end of the contract, the application is withdrawn without any retroactive effect unless the lease breaks and clause. Thank you. Bye.